As a longtime coach for business startups and side hustles, as someone who works with entrepreneurs across the country pretty much every single day, I know which side hustles are sizzling hot right now. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about 7 of them. Now, these are the 7 best side hustle ideas. I think they're perfect for people over 50. Now, I'm also going to be explaining why they're in high demand, and then I'm going to tell you about the potential income that you could make from each one. So get ready for my list of the 7 hottest side hustles, and that is up next right here on Over 50 TV. Welcome back to Over 50 TV. My name is Lou Reyes, and as I promised before that break, I'm about to dive into the 7 side hustles that are absolutely sizzling right now. Now, these are hands down the best side hustle ideas to make $1,000 a month or more. I think they're perfect for anyone over 50. If you've got questions, you can always reach out to me. If you're somebody who's ready to start a business, but you're not quite sure where to begin, well, you can check out my Side Hustle Starter Kit. I've got the video version in the description box of this video. And in that version, what I do is I just walk you through the first 7 steps that you need to take to launch your business from scratch. I tell you how to set everything up. You'll find a link to the Side Hustle Starter Kit video edition in the description box of this video. So now let's get started with sizzling side hustle number 1. Graphic designer. It is a growing business and it is in high demand. And it's in high demand as more and more content creators and other businesses need eye-catching visuals for digital and print media. Now, it is a perfect side hustle, I believe, for people over 50, especially if you've got an eye for art and design. Now, with this gig, what I like is you can work from home and you can collaborate with clients who truly appreciate your talent and your skill. Now, you may be thinking, yeah, I've got an eye for design, but I know nothing about creating these products and I don't know how to get started. Well, I'm going to ask you to check out a design program called Canva. It's a program with tons of templates that make the design process a breeze. I use Canva all the time. It makes it so easy because you have the template and you just fill in the blanks. Let me say this regarding income. Depending on your expertise, you could earn around $1,000 to $3,000 per month. But the fact that you're working out of your house, if you want, it makes this a flexible and a rewarding side hustle. Video editing. Demand for video editors is skyrocketing, and it's skyrocketing due to the explosive growth of platforms like a YouTube or a TikTok or an Instagram or a Twitter, which is now X. But yeah, lots of content creators are uploading content. They're uploading videos, and they need help editing those videos. Now, you can learn editing basics if you're someone who says, you know what, I think I'd like to do this. It's something I've always thought about doing. Well, you can learn the basics in, let's just say, 3 to 6 months. I think it's going to depend on how much time you decide to put into it, but you can learn it. You can learn the basics and decide if it's for you. And then as you become proficient, as people see your work, now you're going to be in demand. And I think this is It's an ideal gig for people over 50, especially if you're somebody who says, you know what, I like doing this. I'm interested in marketing or advertising. You're also somebody who's eager to finally work in a fast-growing field. Let's talk about income. Depending on your experience, depending on your skills, if you're somebody who's proficient, if you really like doing it because you don't want to do anything that you really don't enjoy, well, if you enjoy it and you're good, you can earn $1,500 to $4,000 per month. This is part-time. Now, could you make more than $4,000? Could you make this a full-time gig? Yeah, you could do that. It's going to take a little time to build up, but you can do it. Coaching. Coaching is in high demand, especially if you decide to get into the fields of, let's say, finance or what they call mindset, or you're an executive coach, or maybe you get into holistic health, or you could do business coaching. It's something that I've done. I enjoy doing it, But I will tell you this about coaching. It is one of those very fulfilling kinds of side hustles or side gigs that you can do. And it's so popular because as people are let's say they're navigating this rapid change that we see all around us, and what they want is they want personal or professional growth. They want guidance from people who are experienced professionals, people like us, people like you and me who've done it. We're older, we've got that experience, we've got that knowledge, and we certainly have the skills that we can be experienced professionals helping people who want that help. This is perfect for us, perfect for people who are over 50. Now, let's say the income. Let's talk about that. Depending on your niche, you could earn anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 per month. From what I've seen, the people who decide to dip into or get into the business niche, or let's say the finance niche, they're the folks who make more money. Although I have seen executive coaches who can pull in a $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month working part-time. Affiliate marketing. You know, affiliate marketing is all about earning money by promoting someone else's product or service online. And what you're doing is you're driving traffic by creating content, and you're driving traffic to a link, to your affiliate link. They're clicking, a viewer clicks on your link, they make a purchase, and now you get a cut. You get some commission from the company whose product or service you're promoting. It's really as simple as that, and it's grown massively because we see this huge growth in social media, and companies are realizing that they can work with you, people like you, and they can make money. They can sell their product. You make money, they make money, and everybody's happy. It's a great gig. It's great for somebody who's over 50. It's really passive income. What you're doing is you're putting that link on your page. That's as simple as you're doing. And I've seen folks making as little as $200, $300 a month, up to $500, $1,000 a month. There's folks on YouTube that I've seen who will tell you they're making $10,000, $20,000, $100,000. I saw that yesterday. A woman saying she's making $100,000 a month in affiliate income. Yeah, it's possible to build that up. But what a great gig, a side hustle. And it is certainly one of the hot side hustles right now. Content creation. It's certainly one of the hot side hustles right now. A lot of folks doing it part-time as a side hustle. More and more people are starting to do it full-time. But content creation is all about producing and sharing information or media. Media like a blog post or a video or an infographic or maybe a social media update, and you're sharing it for a specific audience. It's what we do here at Over 50 TV. It's exploded in popularity because businesses and individuals are craving engaging content. You know, this is a perfect gig for somebody over 50 years old. You've got a unique story to tell. You've got some expertise that you want to share. And this gig, this side hustle, this hot side hustle can earn you anywhere from $500 a month to $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month or more. I've seen people making a lot more than that. It really depends on your reach, and it depends on your engagement. Digital products. I don't know a single content creator that's not selling a digital product. And I'm talking about items like an ebook or an online course or printables or digital art that they create once and sell repeatedly. Now, right now, online courses, they just seem to be among the hottest digital products. And I said they seem to be, but no, they are definitely one of the hottest digital products that you can create and sell. And creating and selling digital products is booming because it's low cost, it can generate passive income and keep earning you money years after. You can earn anywhere from $500 or more per month. And I know, again, I'll say this again, there's folks out there that are on YouTube or on Instagram or on Twitter or on TikTok who are saying they're making a lot more money than that. It just depends on your niche, but consider selling a digital product. It is certainly one of the sizzling products right now. E-commerce. E-commerce is one of those 7 sizzling side hustles that I really love, and that's why I'm sharing it with you here today. And it simply means you're selling products or services over the internet. There's a wide range of products you can sell We talked about some of them actually here in this video, but we can talk about digital sales where you could be selling clothing or maybe a digital product, which I've mentioned, like let's say an ebook or an online course, or maybe you're selling services online, a consulting service. We mentioned that. I didn't mention freelance work, but you can do that too. E-commerce has become increasingly popular, and it's become popular because it's convenient. There's a wide range of products that you can sell under the e-commerce umbrella. It's also 24/7 accessible. Yeah, 24/7. You go to bed, you wake up, you got a sale, you look at your computer, there it is. It's just a perfect side hustle. I think it's perfect for people over 50 who are looking for flexibility and low overhead. They're looking for a business that can be managed from their home and a business that offers very good potential, good to great potential. Some folks can make, $500 to $1,000. I've seen people making a lot more money than that. It is possible. It just depends on where you want to take it and how much effort, how much time you want to put into it. Well, there you go, my friends. I've just told you about 7 best side hustle ideas to make $1,000 a month. I told you these are ideal for people over 50. I also, as we went through these 7 side hustles, let you know about the potential to make more than $1,000 a month. What you put into it is what you're going to get out of it. So if you put more time into it, I'm convinced you can make more than $1,000 a month. If you've got any questions, you are welcome to make a comment. You're welcome to send me an email. I do get back to folks as quickly as possible, just to let you know ahead of time. So that's all I got for you. As I said, I do want to remind you, I do have my Side Hustle Starter Kit Video Edition. There's a link in the description box. There is a fee for this. It's a small investment. It's a small investment for a lot of great content. You get a lot of value in this. I walk you through how to go ahead and how to start your side hustle from scratch. I walk you through the first 7 steps. So, got any questions, as I said, contact me. Subscribe if you are so inclined. And as I always say, have a great day, everybody.